Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can basically use AI to create like the funny cat selfies on Canva. So I'm just going to type in funny cat selfie with a unicorn, for instance. You can obviously use anything, and then you can choose a style, I guess. I will choose just photography here. Let's do filmic, and then generate images. If you think the background is a little bit whack, you can kind of generate it, not generate it, you can edit it yourself. Oh, okay. Um, okay, I don't really like the facial expression, so I'm just going to remove the like with the unicorn first. I'll be like funny cat surprised selfie maybe. And let's just, can I just do like photography and like, oh, you can upload an like a reference image if you have it. Let's just still do, let's do high flash and see what we get from that. Okay. Let's just do this one. And then if you don't like the background, just select it and remove background here. And then you're going to go to elements. I'll just use a square first so that I can kind of see like where I should crop the background like this. And then I'm just going to make the cat a little bit smaller, maybe like this much. And then I'll do like a space themed kind of vibe here. So let's just go here and crop that, and we'll put it behind the cat. Okay, that's cute. And then like maybe like add a UFO or something to it. I don't know. Is there like a transparent one? Maybe in graphics. Maybe like far away here. And like an alien too. Okay. This is so funny. Hold on. I don't know why this is so funny for me. Okay, this doesn't look realistic enough. Can I have a realistic alien, please? What about an astronaut? Maybe do an astronaut instead. Make it a little bit bigger here. And then kind of crop that. I don't know, just edit it however you like. And this is pretty much it. You can print it on shirts, tote bags, and the 5 niches that I have for you, maybe to put it on your shirt or your tote bag. It says, sorry, I'm late, I saw a bird. Number 2 is what's up, flockers. 3, just married. So far so good. 4 is bad choices make good stories. And 5, it's a good day to make music. So yeah, you can also add text to this if you'd like to, but I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.